How to assemble a canopy. Portable canopies are the traveling rooms that artists and crafters bring to art and craft shows. Many canopy manufacturers compete for the crafter's dollar, but the canopies themselves are very similar. Common canopy attributes include steel or aluminum poles that snap together, a peaked roof to protect from rain, and white tarps to keep things cool and provide shade. Things you'll need: canopy poles, tarps, bungee cords. Canopy weights optional. Arrange all of the pieces of your canopy on the ground. Arrange them as they will be placed during assembly. For example, place corner pieces at the corners and peak roof pieces inside the 10-foot by 10-foot square. Sort and organize the legs, tarps and cords. Lay them in neat piles nearby. Built from the top down. Assemble the roof pieces, including the pipes that form the peak of the roof. Tighten screws and check for secure fit. Secure the tarp, burlap or mesh roof to the canopy. Different canopy brands are set up a little different from each other, but most canopies require the use of small bungee cords to attach the tarp ceiling to the frame. Refer to manufacturer's instructions. Secure roof before moving on to the next step. Place one leg in the corner socket. Place the second leg in the socket to the right or left of the first leg. If each of your canopy legs is broken into two poles, place the third and fourth legs into the roof sockets so you have a short canopy. Begin again at the first leg and attach the bottom half of the leg. Listen for it to snap into place. Push and pull on the leg to test for security. Do the same for the second, third and fourth legs. Attach back wall and two side wall tarps with bungee cords, zippers or whatever system your canopy is designed with. Weigh the canopy down to keep it from blowing away on windy days. Weights are canopy accessories sold by most manufacturers.